My name is Muskan Chawla, currently pursuing BTech IT. Oh shit, sorry, not currently pursuing. I have already passed out from this college and I am here to relive my college life for one day. So let's go. The moment I step in, I felt that this place is perfect. The all greenery and everything, the fresh air is just perfect to make my colorful memories in this college.
So here is the place where I got registered and became a part of CGC family and an official CGCian. This is the place I can't forget because I started my journey with this place with my first year, and we all were here, all the branches of engineering in one place. So my first year was all about classes and practicals, but when I came to my second year, I was more into fun and exploring the campus. So let me take you to the places where I used to love to spend my time. So this is the place I love the most in the campus because there is so much food all around and I have already ordered from each and every outlet. So let's go. So before you call me Bhukat, I must tell you, I'm so obsessed with food. So let me take a break and I'll get back to you soon. I should enjoy my meal. Hey guys, I'm back. So I really want to show you how my block actually looks like. The classes, the labs where we used to study and sit and have that fun in the classmates. We're all enjoying over there. So let's go. So this is my Cisco lab. I study computer networking over here and I got that practical exposure to see how those computers are connected to each other.
Now I'm going to take you to the central library to show you the environment which is completely surrounded with the books. So let's go.
So this is my second home and I'm doing my entry because there's a rule that when you enter and exit the hostel, so you have to entry over here because they always worried about our security. So let me tell you how my hostel looks like. So come in. My wardens are sitting here. They are doing their job and it seems so nice to be here again. This is our mess. Come in. So this is the perfect place because we haven't learned in our home that food is always served to our room. But we have learned this over here that we have to come to the mess to get that food. So this is the perfect place where my friends and my roommates, we come and sit and we have that fun. I was also an NCC cadet and wearing that uniform was always a proud moment. So can you guys listen that voice which is coming from backside? The josh, that power which always pumps me to come there and have a look. So let's go. Roaming all around the campus and reliving my college was just an enjoyable day for me. So before saying bye to you guys, I really want to mention that this campus is the perfect place to collect those memories and get that exposure. So hopefully you had a good time with me. Bye-bye.